It's time to plan week 15 in my Laurel Denise Kristy planner. I loved this week. I used some new stickers from my Happy Place stickers. They're so pretty. I loved the Happy Planner stickers that I put in here for Easter, the eggs and the bunny. They were so cute and it worked out really, really well. And I did do a little bit in my tracker down here. You'll see it in a second when I turn this around, but so happy with how this worked out. And I'm really excited to plan the second week with the stickers. Get used to them and see how that goes. The other thing I wanted to mention, this is a Kristy video, so all about the Kristy, but I do have the small rose that I posted about. I did do the same sticker set for April in my small rose, and I am getting in here and using it, which I know was a conversation several videos in a row of not using it, then am I going to use it? And I did do a April setup and I have been using it this week. It's only been a few days, but I have been using it. I did get 100% FOMO from all the posts of the launch of the Undated Laurel Denise that came out, I think a week ago. I think it was a week, or maybe is it 2 weeks now? I think maybe it's the 25th, I think it came out. So maybe that's 2 weeks or 10 days or whatever. And I watched all the new videos and I watched all the pictures of people unboxing and showing all their pretty new Undated planners. And I was waffling back and forth. Should I get one? Should I not get one? And I got some happy mail. So I did. I took the plunge. I was so on the fence, and I just had to do it. So I will do an unboxing of what I got, how I want to use it. So stay tuned for that. And since it's not a Kristy, I'm not going to do it in here. And it's going to be a standalone and you'll see it when it comes out. So I will hopefully get to that this week. It is Easter, it's Sunday, it's early. I washed my hair, so I'm ready for some family time with our family this afternoon. So I wanted to do this early. And also I really like just getting in here when it's quiet at home and setting up my planner with you, and we can just kind of go over it and I'm not rushed. And I know later this afternoon, who knows what's going to happen, and the day may just get away from itself, and then I won't be ready for tomorrow. And I really like having this done so that I can go into the week ready and set up to fill in everything as it happens. So I'm going to turn this around. Let's plan and set up week 15 together. Here is a quick look back at week 14, which was this week that I'm currently in and filming, or last week, however we're talking about it. So the first week in April, I did use my Happy Place stickers right there, added in my own washi. I put the washi from the bundle here, and I used the habit tracker that came with the sticker set. This is everything that sort of came in it. So I did use, where is it? It's coming up. It's this one. I did use this one. I haven't used this bill one. Maybe I'll put that in this week, or maybe the last week. Maybe I'll do it this week so I don't forget. And then I didn't use any of these dots or all of these yet. And I do have extra numbers. And thank you so much to the viewer who totally clued me in to these numbers. I missed it. I did not realize this was 1 through 31. And then there was duplicates of 1 to 5 and then 28 to 31 down here. I just did not even see it. And it took me so long to see it after she had pointed it out. And I was like, where? I didn't see this section right here. So thank you so much, because that makes totally sense. So this is the way that you could use the 5 weeks and have enough of these numbers for the days of the week. The days of the week. The days of the month, excuse me. So that makes so much more sense to me. And then we do have these that I haven't used, but I could maybe try these at some point because I think they work. Yeah, they work right in here. They line up perfectly. And so I'd have to move this down if I wanted to try that. So that's something to consider if I wanted to start using all these. And I do have, 4 more weeks, so I could try these out because they only have 3 weeks of those. Okay, so that is everything that I wanted to quickly point out to you. And then let's get started with week 15. And I did put this week of, I did that up here like I was using before with the little labels over here when I was using the planner Kate. So I do like that so I can remember what week I'm on. And so that has been really, really helpful to have those in there. So I did put those on each one, 15, 16, 17. And then I did go back to planner Kate here because I thought I would need to do it for the first week, not knowing about these numbers. So I could still use my happy place stickers for this. And because this is removable, I could pick this up. So that's everything. Let's get going and let's get week 15 set up. The other thing I wanted to point out is I put the color of the week so I know which stickers I'm going to use. So this is going to be light blue, this is yellow, and this is going to be green. So I went like that. And that way I know what I'm doing a little bit of the week. And then I just need to sort of figure out these. And since this is a light blue week, I think I'm going to use these to match up. And I was thinking I maybe should try this for this week just to give it a good try to see if I even like the time blocking. So if I did that, I need to put it here and then the washi will go a little bit lower. So, I mean, it goes to 6 o'clock, which I kind of have, a longer day. So that's fine. So I can sort of write what my dinner is even at the bottom, even though it goes to 5 to 6 because we do eat early here. So, okay, let's get this going and I'll stop talking. I had not realized that there were so many Easter stickers in this Disney Classics. It's like a double sticker book. I didn't realize that there were so many. They were like Easter. They've got their bunnies. She's got the Easter basket. So I think for this whole month, I'm going to need to come in here and use all of these so that I enjoy them. I totally missed it. Although last week I really enjoyed these bunnies, so I did get good use out of these, and this was really pretty and fun. So this is a little bit different. It's got all the friends, and I liked these clear stickers like this. And then these boxes are kind of nice. I think I have things that I can add in here, and it'll be perfect for the day. And then I did do the time strip here because I figured it would go on both sides instead of way over here. I don't know if you noticed, but I tried to measure out the Bill's sticker and it kind of just overlaps because it goes from here to here. So it would overlap. Even if I went down to the bottom, it would be a little bit on top of this. So maybe if I don't use this strip, let's say next week, I can add this in, or the last week or whatever. So this is just a look at week 15 and how it's coming together. It will obviously change once I start writing in, you know, all the things, highlighting it, and it'll get filled in pretty quickly as the week goes on. So that is week 15. I need to pay more attention to what's in my sticker books. I can't believe I did not notice that these were Easter stickers with bunnies and chicks and eggs and doing an Easter egg hunt right here, but they're so fun. And so I think April's gonna be all about Easter. Even if it was just last week, it's gonna be all month of just really cute stickers. And if you have been following me for a while, I do love the mouse. I love going to Disney. I love everything Disney World. I'm a total Disney adult. So I love the fact that I've got Mickey in here with some eggs and some little chickies right here. So cute up here as well. They're just happy and joyful and really pretty colors, and they're fun stickers. So I'm really happy how that turned out. And I'm getting more confident of just like putting things in here and then working around them. For instance, I don't know if you could tell, but I had like this bunny sticker right here, and then I had to write around it like I washed my hair, that I'm working on my YouTube video, you know, I walked. So, you know, it's okay. I can just move around what I have and use the space that is left over. And the guide of the times, it'll just be a guide. It's just gonna be a guide. It's just gonna be there so that I can see it. It's an option. I can use it if I want or not use it. So yes, thank you so much for being with me for week 15. I will be posting my unboxing of my new Undated planner. If you are new to Laurel Denise and you would like your own planner, I do know that there are some of these, I believe Kristy's, this is a Kristy on sale, I wanna say. Don't quote me on that. You should go to the website and check it out. There are the Undated that are still available with different inserts, and you can get stickers to put in the days and the weeks and the months and all that, and that's really, really fun. And you can use it when you want to use it, which I think is really cool when it's undated. You can start anytime you want and fill it in as you go. You could do 1 month, you can stop for a month, you can pick it up again, you know, just do what works best for your life. I am an affiliate with Laurel Denise. I have a discount code for 10% off. I have a link that you can use in the description box. So go at it, get something that you love. Don't forget to look at the accessories because there's some really good stickers. They're really good patterns, banners, and inserts that are awesome. And her pouches are so good. Like, I love all of her pencil pouches and just all those little things that go together. I even have her tweezers and they have Laurel Denise written on them. I am on brand with Laurel Denise. I love her things. I think they're great. And they work with my brain. So if it's something that you're interested in, definitely hop over there, take a look, get what you need. And the academic ones will be launching in May. So you can keep a lookout for that if you want. I think it starts, is it July 1st? And then for the year from there. And those are dated planners. So yeah, that's everything I got for you today. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe if you're new. I will be posting the unboxing, like I said, and then we will have week 16 coming next week. So thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next video.